Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. We just focus on the short term because everything else was discussed in the previous video. Just want to keep you updated here because we made that one more lower low that we talked about in the previous video. Remember when we were, when we were in the previous video, when I recorded the previous video, I talked about that there is still one more wave down missing, because if we see the move that started from the low here around 1075 to the upside in this 5-wave impulse, let me just show you the impulse again. 5 waves, we counted, and I don't show you all the subwaves, but this is a 1, 2, 3, this is the 4, we've got the 5, okay? So this 5-wave structure here, it's an impulse, which is a good sign, which means after this correction we could get another impulse to the upside, which means short-term upside potential. After finishing this, obviously we looked at this as an A, B, C pattern. Everything here worked out so nice, Looked at this as a bearish pattern, anticipated a breakdown from here. At least I warned you about that because it is generally a bearish wave pattern, or generally trading pattern, structural pattern that you would usually expect to break to the downside, a pattern of exhaustion that played out. We came down here now in 5 waves. Yes, you could argue 5 waves. In this ABC pattern, the C wave is a 5-wave move. We can count 5 now because in my last video, I think we were somewhere around 1170 and I told you I would like to see one more leg down, which then also happened. We hit the support area here, which was at 1150, I think just after I made my last video. So scenario basically fulfilled, but we then also saw exactly where it needed to be. Quite a nice green engulfing candle. But so far it hasn't really played out, okay? So I'm still wondering if we maybe see one more leg down. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down sort of in the region 1150 again, maybe even 1135, or even 1100. But that would be quite a strong setup. I'd rather look at maybe 1135 to 1150 somewhere, okay? So that's very much possible. However, it could be finished here because we saw that lower low. So we're now in a state where we can say, look, this has done everything it needed to do in this wave 2. Hit the support area, bounced off resistance here, came into support and is now ready to rumble. So this could already be, if we go to the lower time frame, this could be a 5-wave move up, and we now here in a small 1-2 setup. But I would really only confirm that as soon as we get above 1183, that would be a signal that indeed we are going higher. The first signal really. So still looking maybe for one more lower low here, so wouldn't be surprised. But a move above 1183 would for me be the very first strong indication that we're heading higher. Then the next indication would be a break above this wave A low at $1,200. And then we need to break above this resistance range between 1214 and 1226. And then we can move higher. Then next resistance would be around 1270, 1290. But this is not target. Target would be around the $1,400 mark. Target for the larger wave 3. So that's really just everything I wanted to show you here, just to make you aware that this could still be a wave 4 what we're doing here. So it could very well be that we just saw here an A, B, C, and we're now coming down in a 5th wave. So that all of this was just a 4th wave. But, need to be open here. This could be finished. So it's all about which point do we break out now, right? So all the steps fulfilled. Now it's time to watch, not time to be bored and leave the market. It's time to watch because something interesting could happen here soon. But primary expectation would be at the moment, because we have failed to deliver on the bullish reversal yet, would be still one more leg down, Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.